Hello, would you be able to help me with an out of warranty repair?
Yes, we can help you with the diagnostic. Would you like our shipping address?
Well, is it possible to send out a tech on site rather than ship it back to you? It's a pretty big printer.
Do you have a plan for an unexpected Epson printer repair bill? ImagingSpectrum. Running a business is hard enough without having to worry about unforeseen printer downtime. If your Epson printer needs a service call, it's not your fault. These things happen, but being caught without a plan can bring your operations to a standstill. With an Epson extended service plan, you'll have peace of mind with a cost-effective way to protect your daily operations. Minimize disruptions without the stress of paying out of pocket for on-site service. It's not your fault if your printer needs service, but it is your responsibility to have a plan. Give us a call today and let us help you create the perfect plan.